Hello everyone, and in this video I will show you how you can fix Snapchat device ban. So the first step is you need to make sure that you are not connected to any kind of VPN. If you have enabled your VPN, you just need to open up your settings, tap on the general and go for VPN and device management. If you have any kind of VPN connected, make sure to disable this, otherwise you may face device ban again and again. So the next step is you just need to file an appeal. So you just need to open up your Snapchat application and tap on profile icon on the top right corner. Go for settings or gear icon, and now you just need to scroll all the way down until you see I need help section. Now once you are on this particular page, you just need to scroll down and tap on this contact us button. Now by default, whenever you open your Snapchat account after you have received the device ban notification, you will have the option to appeal on the main page. Now if you don't have it, you just need to tap on I can't access my account, and then you need to tap on my account is locked and go for this little button which is locked in the blue. Once you go for this, you just need to scroll down until you see this describe here button. Again tap on this. Now once you are on this page, you just need to make sure to read all of these, that how can I submit an appeal for a locked account. As you can see, locked account appeals can be made in the Snapchat application from the login screen. As I said earlier, whenever your account is banned, you will have the option to appeal on the login screen as well. To access in-app appeals process, open your Snapchat app and attempt to log in. As I said, you just need to tap on the appeal decision to start the appeal process, and you just need to make sure to provide all the necessary information. So hope this helped. This is how you can fix Snapchat device ban.